Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change an email on Brevo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Brevo website, which of course I have done right here gladly. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Brevo? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type brevo.com, and that's going to walk you into the official website for Brevo. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Brevo. So now down here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change an email on Brevo. So from this homepage, I would like you to navigate to the right corner, top right corner of your screen where you have your profile name. So go ahead and click on that. You have this extended menu which include my profile, my plan, settings, plugins and integrations, senders, domains and dedicated IPs. You have the SMTP and API, users, security, compliance, carbon footprint, selected language and rollout. So go ahead and click on my profile. Now, once you click on my profile, that's going to take you right into the profile window. So here's my personal information, very personal to me. So you have this, of course, this was created for the purpose of this tutorial. So you have this email address right here. Now, if you want to change this email address, go ahead and click on it. And once you click on the communication bar, you can now use your backspace to delete. And once you delete, go ahead and add the new email address that you want to add, and after adding the new email address that you want to add, that's going to be it. Go ahead and go down and you're going to see this option that says update my profile, and after updating your profile, that's going to be it. Your email is going to be changed. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.